connais wap crier, baby, mais faut Haïti moins poilé, Miami wap crité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment, l'amour ça poil dire. Vous voulez pour continuer, écrire chaque.
One of the best drivers in the world.
Yes. Hyundai Ioniq 5.
Michael, you got Cedric here. He's an avid Tesla fan. And yeah, he's looking forward to seeing the vehicle. He's also a YouTuber. He's got his channel there, and you guys have a great ride, all right?
All right, nice to meet you. Andrew, right? Oh, Mike, okay.
Let's get you buckled up. Which Tesla do you drive?
I don't drive a Tesla yet. It's my dream car.
Which model?
Model X.
Which trim?
All right, so we're waiting to move. How long does it take? 5 minutes per person?
6 or 7, give or take.
Oh, okay.
Is it Model S or the Model X?
X as in xylophone.
They're getting kind of hard to find now.
Right. Microchips and also with the Cybertruck, it's the hardest because they're not certain when to launch it and because of the redesigns and everything. They just opened a Gigafactory back in, I think it was March 9th, April 9th. Yeah, it was April 9th. No, that was Berlin, but they didn't. I think that opened on the same month in Texas. That's what a zero gravity looked like here on this part.
You can go take a nap somewhere. It's like you're in a reclining armchair.
Yeah. This is so far my 4th electric car after the Lightning.
What do you want to know? What do you drive now?
This month.
Any questions about the Ioniq 5?
So I asked for zero gravity, and what is the maximum range on this car?
They publish up to 303. As you know, most manufacturers are pretty conservative about the range numbers. Most reviewers will say they pretty easily exceed the published range on these.
I know this has a better handling, not even a tip, not even a... This is what I could count as a competitor to the Model 3. Or no, actually the Model 2 that's going to be coming out. Because it looks like one.
What do you think?
This is really a great compact electric.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How'd you enjoy the ride?
It's excellent.
8.7.
8.7 out of 10 this car received.
We'll take it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ah oui, les long long, baby li long. T'es du long distance long, pas cap marcher. Ah oui, les long long, baby li long. Koto tande l'amour jambe de l'eau, baby, pas noyer long. T'es du long distance long, pas cap marcher. Ah oui, les long long.